10:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:06 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain has fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Kingsland, Leno, Buchanan Dam, Gainesville, Granite Shoals, Horseshoe Bay, Buchanan Lake Village, Highland Haven,
Wi-Fi network up.
Knowles,
Wi-Fi network.
Lone
2.
Grove,
Use cellular data.
Oxford,
Keep trying Wi-Fi.
Milton,
Keep trying Wi-Fi.
Valley
Voice over
Stream,
off.
2. Enchanted Rock State Natural Area and Sunrise Beach Village. Additional rainfall up to 2 inches can be expected. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Your local forecast. Flash flood watch in effect through Thursday afternoon.